density of unit cell. Here we will do calculation related with the density of unit cell. Now for working ahead, let us do certain considerations here. So first of all, let us consider that the density edge length of the unit cell be A. So let us consider let edge length of the unit cell will be equal to A. So edge length we have considered to be equal to small a, and we know that for calculating density we need mass and we need volume, student. So density of unit cell is equal to mass of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. This is how we are going to calculate the density of a unit cell. Mass of unit cell by volume of unit cell. Now let us calculate the mass of unit cell. So mass of unit cell, now mass of unit cell is equal to number of atoms in unit cell multiplied by mass of one atom. Simple mathematics. If you multiply mass of one atom by number of atoms in unit cell, we will get the mass of unit cell, student. Now let us work on mole concept here. According to mole concept, we know that mass of Na atoms, we know that this is Avogadro's constant, is equal to M, capital M. What is capital M? Atomic mass. Capital M is atomic mass, student. So mass of Na atoms is equal to M, capital M. Therefore mass of one atom will be equal to M by Na. So what is the mass of unit cell, student? Mass of unit cell will be equal to, now let us put these things in the formula of density. So density of unit cell will be written as mass of unit cell is what? Number of atoms in unit cell. Let us represent it by capital Z, number of atoms, multiplied by mass of one atom. So what is mass of one atom? This is M by Na divided by volume of unit cell. So what will be, since these are cubic unit cell, so the volume will be H cube, A cube. So this is the formula for calculating the density of a unit cell. So the density of a unit cell will be equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na, where Z stands for number of atoms, M is atomic mass, A is edge length, and Na we all know that it is Avogadro's constant. So this is the formula for calculating the density of unit cell. Now number of questions can be solved related to density of unit cell, such as questions could be for calculating the direct density of unit cell. All these data will be provided to you and you have to calculate the density of unit cell. Okay, so the question could be a following type, student, where you could have been told to calculate the density of unit cell directly. Second, the questions could be based on calculating the atomic mass. Calculate the atomic mass, other things would be given to you. So you have to calculate the atomic mass. Other questions could be for calculating the Avogadro's constant. Calculate Na. There could be question for calculating Na, Avogadro's constant. Questions may be based on identify the type of unit cell. Type of unit cell. Question could be asked, identify the type of unit cell. It means the question is asking that calculate the value of Z. If Z is equal to 1, simple cubic. If Z is equal to 2, BCC, body centered cubic. If Z is equal to 4, it could be face centered cubic. Question could be asked for calculating A, edge length, and R, radii of a sphere. So we know that for simple cubic A is equal to 2R. For BCC A is equal to 4R by root 3. And for face centered cubic A is equal to 2 root 2R. So if we know the value of A, we can calculate the value of R also, radii also. So questions could be on these types, student. But just note certain things. We will certainly be facing difficulties when question asks that calculate A and R. Because for calculating A, we have to calculate the third root of everything over here. A is equal to third root of other things. And for calculating third root, certainly we will be having certain problems. So for sorting out such problems, we will take help of logarithm. And I will make you solve one question based on logarithm. And other thing to be noted over here is, student, if question says that you have to identify the other things also, the questions could be based on other things also, but basically you have to focus on these things for calculating density, for calculating atomic mass, for calculating Avogadro's constant, for calculating the type of unit cell, for calculating the edge length, for calculating the R, radii. So let us solve certain questions based on density of the unit cell. So I have already written a question over here, student. The density of chromium metal is 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. So in this question we have been given provided with density 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. If the unit cell is cubic with edge length of, so A is given, student, A is given as 289 picometer, edge length is given. So determine the type of unit cell, student. Determine the type of unit cell means what you have to calculate here. What is our target? Our target is to calculate Z. Our target is to calculate Z because Z will determine the type of unit cell. And let us work over here. So just remember one thing, student. In majority of the problems, the density will be in centimeter and this edge length will be in picometer. So you first do the conversion work. 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 meter. This is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. So 1 picometer is what, student? 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. So this 289 picometer will be equal to 289 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. Okay. Now what we have to we know the formula here, that density D is equal to Z m by A cube into Na, which is Avogadro's constant. So density is given to us 7.2 is equal to Z. This is our target. M, atomic mass of chromium mentioned here, 52. A cube means 289 into 10 to the power minus 10 cube multiplied by Avogadro's constant 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now student, calculate Z. So on calculating Z, it will come out to be 2.01, which can be taken as 2. Okay, after doing the calculation, Z will be coming out to be 2. So obviously, student, it's very clear that the type of unit cell here is BCC, because Z is 2 for body centered cubic system, students. Now in the next question, we will calculate some atomic, we will calculate some we will do certain calculation related with mass also.